CB told me to come here. Bro, what do the dub come
Yo,
here
stop
about?
snoring.
What you mean stop snoring? I can't.
Fix
I
it.
got sleep apnea.
Fix it.
What?
Cause you keep snoring, you're not getting
And
sleep.
then he's not getting no sleep, so he couldn't come to class, right? Let me tell you what he did. He stayed outside to 5 a.m. I woke him up for boot camp in class. He didn't want to get up, so he tried to blame the snoring to not let you know he was out here not. Everybody go there right now.
Pudgy, yep, they got a pin right here. Pudgy 16, follow him and see if he snores tonight. Please don't try to snore, bro. Okay? Please try to be a good roommate.